Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to solve the equation using addition and subtraction. So to solve this kind of equation using addition and subtraction, follow these steps. 1. Isolate the variable terms on one side of the equation. 2. Use inverse operation to get rid of any constant on the same side of the equation as variable term. 3. Simplify the equation as much as possible. 4. Solve the variable by dividing both sides of the equation by coefficient of the variable term is necessary. For example, we have 5x minus 3 equals 12. Add 3 to both sides of the equation, which is here, and it's going to give us 5x is equal to 15. All right. Now divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. It's going to give us x equals 3. So the solution to this equation is x equals 3. Now to check if this answer is correct, what we are going to do, for example, we have 5x minus 3 is equal to 12. How do we check this? We are going to write 5 bracket 5, it's 3. Since we have x3, it's 3 inside, minus 3 equals 12. Okay, so when we multiply here, we are going to multiply this by this. That's 15. 15 minus 3, that's 12. So I'm saying 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. So already we have found the answer we have checked. So 12 is equal to 12. Already we have the answer to this one. It has already given us the value here. So since the equation is true, your solution is correct. It's x is equal to 3. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can check for your answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.